Them say bow down, me say never. Storming on my chest, still my weather. Make steel from the pain and the pressure. Me walk on fire, come out better. Concrete road and a hungry eye. Still my plan little open a dry. Every scar have a reason why. Every tear, it teach me for fly. So me hold on brother, hold on sister. When the road gets rough, we get tougher now mister. Babylon chat but truth stand taller. One people rise when the weak get stronger. Find a resistance, we not bend. Find a resistance till the end. Rise up, no pretend. Find a resistance, we defend. Them build wall, but we mind move through. Chain them man, but we soul stay true. Woman wisdom in every shoe. From the cane field cry to the ghetto view. We see youth them hungry for light. Mama still pray through the night. Every little seed where we fight to keep turn gold at the belly of sleep. So mo hold on bread, hold on sister. No empty promise cannot last with discipline. Them one we broken, split and scattered. But stubborn love is what matter. Find a resistance, we not bend. Find a resistance till the end. Rise up, no pretend. Find a resistance, we defend. When them say sit down, we stand upright. When them sell fear, we buy back life. Me heart stay drum, me feet stay sure. Freedom no pretty, but it endure. One blood, one fire, one road, one name. Through every loss, me still proclaim. Nothing can bury the seed we send. My brother and my sister, this no happen. Find a resistance, we not bend. Find a resistance till the end. Rise up, no pretend. Find a resistance, we defend. So if the night get long, keep firm. If the river cut deep, still learn. But the grace not come by chance. We make them move through stubborn stance. Find a resistance, hear the call. One heart stand and none shall fall. Me born in a fire, still me cool pon the outside. Rebel blood run deep like river in a hillside. No bow fi no crown, no kiss the foot of fear. Me plant truth in a dirt and watch it grow clear. Them say life rough but roughness teach the strong. Stone get shaped by pressure, that's how we belong. Every scar a scripture, every bruise a clue. If you lose yourself, tell me who gon' find you soon. Step slow, head high. Give thanks for the cut and cry. John know every wound got reason. Even pain can bloom in season. Rebel blood, stand up tall when the rain get rough. Rebel blood, heart stay firm when the road get tough. Rebel blood, my soul no bend, my spirit enough. Them want you small, want your mind in a cage. Want you sing soft while them write up the page. But wisdom no born from a shiny light. It grew from the dust and a question why. Me watch the old man smile through empty plate. Teach me say faith is food when you're at the gate. Make peace with hunger, make peace with rain. Because the deepest river still sound like pain. So me step slow, head high, give thanks for the good and cry. John know every wound got reason. Even pain can bloom in season. Rebel blood, stand up tall when the rain get rough. Rebel blood, heart stay firm when the road get tough. Rebel blood, my soul no bend, my spirit enough. Rebel blood, highly me up, me rise above. Me rise above. Who feel it, know it, who know it, show it. The world can mash up plan, but truth still grow it. If them lock the door, we find the crack with prayer. If them dim the light, we carry flame everywhere. Rebel blood, stand up tall when the rain get rough. Rebel blood, heart stay firm when the road get tough. Rebel blood, my soul no bend, my spirit enough. Rebel blood, highly me up, me rise above. Rebel blood, true and bold, where the youth stay wise and cold. Heart of gold, one love, one truth, one road. Sunrise ablaze like a lion's eye. New day a call, no time to cry. Babylon walls, they can tumble down. Just spirit in now wears a golden crown. Oh, them try to vex our soul. Them try to take control. No fear in I, no fear at all. When the wicked them rise, I stand up tall. No fear in I, no fear I say. Jah light, I die every day. No fear in I, no fear at all. When the wicked them rise, I stand up tall. No fear in I, no fear I say. Jah light, I die every day. Pressure I build like a hurricane wind, but a heart that's strong I will never bend. Words sound power flow like a river wide. Truth be my shield with nothing to hide. Oh, from the mountain peak to the ocean deep, secrets of life the ancient ones keep. I search for wisdom, I search for light. Try a night, try a night, try a night, try a night. No fear in I, no fear at all. When the wicked them rise, I stand up a walk. Long road, but me not fall apart. Stone in my shoe, fire in my chest. Still me hold firm, still me do my best. The world full of shadow, full of slime and green, but truth live longer than the lies them spin. Every seed broke earth fi reach sky. Every true soul have to learn to try. So me breathe in peace, breathe out pressure. Rough storm come, but my soul gets stronger. Babylon want me bend, want me lose my name, but my roots run deep, yeah, me heart stay safe. Standing power, standing power. Every broke day I make a better hour. Standing power, standing power. Jah guide me foot through the fire and shower. Standing power, standing power. When them push me down, me rise with fire. Standing power, standing power. Live with truth and you never expire. No gold chain, done by inner sight. No fast road, carry man to light. If you know yourself, you know enough. Empty pocket, but my spirit rough. Me learn say, love is a mighty shield. I'ma walk slow, but it never yield. Who plant bad fruit, eat bitter seed. Who plant good heart, grow the world in need. So me breathe in peace, breathe out pressure. No storm come, but my soul gets stronger. Babylon want me bend, want me lose my name, but my roots run deep, yeah, me heart stay safe. Standing power, standing power. Every broke day I make a better hour. Standing power, standing power. Jah guide me foot through the fire and shower. Standing power, standing power. When them push me down, me rise with fire. Standing power, standing power. Live with truth and you never expire. If you want rise, first know your ground. If you want smile, let pain turn around. No voice out there, try broke your mind, but wisdom sweet when you free yourself inside. Standing power, standing power. Every broke day I make a better hour. Standing power, standing power. Jah guide me foot through the fire and shower. Standing power, standing power. When them push me down, me rise with fire. Standing power, standing power. Live with truth and you never expire. So hold firm, my brethren, hold firm. Time reveal what the whole world learn. Standing power, no beg, no fear. Light in your soul, stay burning clear. Seen them try, bend the road. Still me walk with a loaded soul. Every scar write a sermon, you know. Every loss teach wisdom grow. Me no move like a puppet string. Me no pain when it start to swing. Iron heart in a flesh and bone. Still me stand, no me can't be owned. But Babylon love to mash up pride, but the truth live deep inside. When the weak man kneel and pray, that is strength you shine from within. Well, if a mouth wants sell false gold, promise sweet, but them hearts stay cold. Me choose the bread we feed the poor. Me choose the love we stay secure. Oh, lift up your head, now let the fear run through. Oh, keep in the fire, cause the fire make you true. Redemption victory, redemption victory. Walk through the ocean sea. Redemption victory, redemption victory, redemption victory. Jah lift me spirit free. Redemption victory. Hear me now, brethren. Time is a teacher, slow but wise. Every fall got a doorway. Every storm got clearer skies. So when you feel done broke, use that crack fillet like pouring. From the mud rise a clean soul. Yeah, that is how the wind begin. Redemption victory, redemption victory. Walk through the ocean sea. Redemption victory, redemption victory, redemption victory. Jah lift me spirit free. Redemption victory. Listen, my brethren, when the road get rough, heart still beat and that mean enough. Stone by stone, we build from the dust. Truth in a fire and the fire in us. Babylon talk, but them words get in. Clock can't hide what the soul carrying. Every tear we fall got a seed inside. Every scar when me wear got a hill to climb. So me hold firm, me not bolo. Slow and steady, that's how rivers grow. Enough man fall, but the wise man rise. See the whole world clear through patient eyes. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Carry the weak and lift up the strong. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Truth can't dead, it just sing too long. Me see the hungry man, me see the greedy hand. One plant fruit, one crush the land. But the earth remember every cruel step, and the night don't keep what the sun forget. Little picnic learn from the way we live, what we take and what we give. If you plant love in a broken place, one day mercy gonna show its face. So me hold firm, me not bolo. Slow and steady, that's how rivers grow. Enough man fall, but the wise man rise. See the whole world clear through patient eyes. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Carry the weak and lift up the strong. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Truth can't dead, it just sing too long. Yeah, no chain can last when the right move fast. Yeah, no lies stay crown When the people stand ground, mind over fear, spirit over rage. One small flame can light a whole age. Though the storm come wild and grim, still the morning of becoming. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Carry the weak and lift up the strong. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Truth can't dead, it just sing too long. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. From the ashes, righteousness sing. Justice will win, yeah. Justice will win. Walk in a light till the whole earth ring. Hear the ember in your chest, brother. Small flame can chat like a lion. When the world get cold and wicked, keep your heart hot like iron. Rise up slow, move with reason. Every scar got a story to tell. From the ash come the lesson. From the pressure man know himself. So me step with me head held high. No push over thing, one lift your eye. When the pressure tight and the road look long, one little spark and the we get strong. Roar of fire, oh Lord, blaze up my spirit. Roar of fire, you know, we walk and we fearless. From the belly of pain to the crown of desire. Roar of fire, burn up higher. Man want buy you with glitter, but gold don't feed the soul. Riches in a empty pocket still leave a heartless hole. Me nah bow to vanity, me nah run from truth. Better one clean conscience than 1,000 fake proofs. So me step with me head held high. No push over king, go and lift your eye. When the night turn long and the tears run plain, hold the flame inside and call it by name. Roar of fire, oh Lord, blaze up my spirit. Roar of fire, you know, we walk and we fearless. From the belly of pain to the crown of desire. Roar of fire, burn up higher. If you lose your way, come back humble. If your mind get dark, seek the light. Every man Tall like tower, but it can't stay here. Stone by stone, them scheme reveal. Grid in the air, now the whole thing feel real. Them say hold firm, but the wall them crack. Too much fire in the back room back. People a cry while the paper turn dust. Same old kingdom built and rotting trust. See how it bend, see how it quake. Every false crown got a price to pay. Jah inna the fire, Jah inna the rain. When truth step in, the false must drain. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. Oh yes, collapse. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. The wicked can't last. Stone can't chat when the spirits rise. No more cheer on the people's eyes. Picnic hungry while the big man feast. Them sell out soul for a little piece. Mouth full of prayer, hand full of knife. Try hide corruption in a pretty life. But every seed where them plant fish in, grow up strong and call out name. From cane field dust to the market lane. Poor man wisdom burn through pain. See how it bend, see how it quake. Every false crown got a price to pay. Jah inna the fire, Jah inna the rain. When truth step in, the false must drain. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. Oh yes, collapse. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. The wicked can't last. Stone can't chat when the spirit rise. No more chain round the people's eyes. When the roof goes out and the columns fall, who you call when the market stall? Not the hand that took, not the mouth that lied. Only humble heart can survive this tide. So rise little one with your head held high. Don't beg for the moon, don't live one lie. Build with love, with sweat, with grace. Put clean feet back in the place. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. Oh yes, collapse. Babylon collapse, collapse, collapse. The wicked can't last. Stone can't chat when the spirit rise. No more chain round the people's eyes. Jah light stay burning through the falling dust. Deep inna the ruin we learn to trust. Babylon done, but the people stand. New roots growing in the promised land. Up with iron in my chest, but my soul still light like a bird in a nest. Them build up walls with fear and greed. Me plant one seed where the poor man bleed. Them say hold your tongue, stay low, stay small. But me hear one voice, where rise to it all. Stand firm, brother, don't bend for them plan. Freedom start first, in the mind of a man. So me step one time, then two, then more. From the chain them rattling on the floor. Me no bow to the lie, me no kneel to the show. When truth catch fire, every prison must go. Freedom warrior, walk on. Freedom warrior, hold on. Freedom warrior, chant it loud. Freedom loud. Jah light in your eyes, Jah fire in your stride. No chain can own your name. You're born to break them game. See the hardest fight is inside your head, where fear and doubt keep a moving bed. But Me tell me heart, brethren, rise, arise. Every scar get wisdom in a disguise. If you got one drum and a righteous song, you can turn a small road into standing strong. Poor man rich when his spirit clean. Big man empty when he rule up scene. So me step one time, then two, then more. From the chain them rattling on the floor. Me no go to the lie, me no kneel to the show. When truth catch fire, every prison must go. Freedom warrior, walk on. Freedom warrior, hold on. Freedom warrior, chant it loud. Jah light inna your eyes, Jah fire inna your stride. No chain can own ya, yeah. You born to break them gates. Me see the children with hungry eyes, still them laugh when the sun arise. That mean hope live where trouble stay, and the dawn can't stay forever away. No king can lock up a righteous start. No devil win where love get taught. So if the road get rough, still move. Truth like river, it always proves. Freedom warrior, walk on. Freedom warrior, hold on. Freedom warrior, chant it loud. Freedom mama, Jah light inna your life, Jah fire inna your stride. No chain can hold your name. You're born to break them gates. Freedom warrior, rise now. Freedom warrior, live proud. Freedom warrior, heart strong. We move on.
Them say lies move fast, but truth move far. Truth sit on stone, life fade like scar. Man can chat big, but the heart no clear. If your spirit get dirty, clean it up here. Make them sell sweet smoke, I still see through. One eye on the road, one eye on you. Walk good, keep wise, whole heap of disguise, but the soul can't hide when the moon rise high. Truth over lies, hear me now. Truth over lies, stay strong somehow. Truth over lies, can't mash guys. Truth over lies, hold the crown. Babylon love mass, love pretty talk. Promise gold mountain, give chalk and chalk. Well, every chain rust, every bone cry out. If you know your name, you know what life bout. No need for run when the rain start fall. Standing at the storm, stand tall, stand tall. Walk good, keep wise, whole heap of disguise, but the soul can't hide when the moon rise high.
foundation weak. One clean word cut through them sleep. Me nah beg no man to give me sight. Jah put lantern deep